Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. We are looking at the circulatory system, and we have completed two types of blood cells. That is blood cells, RBCs and WBCs. Red blood cell and white blood cells. Now the third is platelets. Is it clear? The third type of blood cell is platelets. They are called thrombocytes. RBC are called erythrocytes. WBC are called leukocytes, and platelets are known as thrombocytes. The other name of platelets is thrombocytes. They are colorless. What are the characteristics of shape and size of platelets? It is colorless. The shape of this cell is spherical, or sometime it is irregular shape. It has irregular shape. They lack nucleus. It means nucleus is absent in this cell. They are smaller than WBC and RBCs. RBC and WBC. It means it is the smallest in size as compared to the RBC and WBC. The lifespan of platelets is 8 to 10 days. What is the lifespan of WBC? Who will give the answer? Lifespan of WBC. The lifespan of WBC is few hours to several days, and the lifespan of WBC is 120 days, and platelets having the 8 to 10 days. After that they will die. The platelets play a major role in blood clotting. The most important function of platelets is it helps in blood clotting. In a cut or wounds, the clotting of blood prevents loss of blood, the entry of germs into the body through cuts or wounds. This is the main function of platelets. The blood clotting, the process of blood clotting is very difficult or a complicated method. How it will take place, we will see. Old red blood cells are formed 60 to 70% of blood cells. White blood cells and old platelets are formed in the bone marrow. WBC and platelets. Formed in bone marrow. Blood clotting is a very complicated process. See what happened in blood clotting. Whenever a person get injured, blood start flowing from the cuts or wounds. It is called bleeding. The blood flow through the wounds or cuts is known as bleeding. After some time, the blood stops by itself. It will stop bleeding. Our body prevents the loss of blood by forming a blood clot. It is called blood clotting. The process is known as blood clotting. It is a very complex process. How it will take? Injury to blood vessel, blood vessels. Result in bleeding, start bleeding. As the blood starts bleeding, an enzyme is released from the platelets. From platelets. This enzyme changes the fibrinogen into fibrin. There is a substance thrombin is present in this enzyme. Thrombin. Thrombin is present in enzyme. This thrombin changes the fibrinogen into fibrin. What is the function of thrombin? Change the fibrinogen into fibrin. Convert fibrinogen into fibrin. Aditi, mute your mic. What is the function of thrombin? Thrombin convert inactive fibrinogen into active fibrin, and fibrin is a protein. Say protein. Fibrin forms a fine net-like covering across the damaged blood vessel. Now the function of fibrin is what? It forms a net, fine net. Across the wound or cut. RBC trait. What happens is fine net. It means this is the net. Fine net is formed by fibrin across the wound, and this net is trapped by the WBC. In the gap of this net, all gaps are covered by the RBCs. RBC get trapped the fibrin network. Fibrin network and serum. Blood plasma without fibrinogen comes out from the bone, and then last is blood coat is formed. Fibrin network together with blood seal. See the whole process once again. First, injury to blood cells and result in bleeding. After bleeding, an enzyme is released from the platelets. These enzymes produce thrombin. enzyme produce thrombin, and thrombin change the fibrinogen into active fibrin. Fibrin is a protein. Now fibrin forms a fine net over the bones, and this gap of net is trapped by the RBCs, and blood clot is formed by the platelets. This is the process of blood clotting. Do you have any doubt? Have you a doubt?
No, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you heard the name dengue, a disease? Dengue is a disease in which the number of platelets get reduced. In which number of platelets reduced. Reduced. In extreme situation, the body shows symptom of severe bleeding that may even cause death. If the number of platelets is reduced, the symptom may be severe and may cause of death. Function of blood. It carries oxygen, from lungs to the all body parts. It also carries carbon dioxide, a waste product, from all the cells of the body to the lungs. It carries CO2 from body part to the lungs. Then it carries hormones from the endocrine glands to the different organ of the body where they are needed. Carries hormones secreted by the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the ductless brain. They direct secrete the hormones in the blood, and through the blood these hormones uh, transported to the part where they are needed. It carries waste from different organs. From different region organs to the kidney. To the kidney. What are the function of blood? It carries oxygen which we are taking by breathing from lungs to the all body parts. Again, after respiration or oxidation of the food, carbon dioxide is produced. This carbon dioxide is also uh, transported by the blood through the all body parts to the lungs. It carries hormones secreted by the endocrine glands to the organ where they are needed. It carries waste from different
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Okay. Distribute excess heat. It distributes excess heat to different part of the body, thus maintaining the constant body temperature. It means we can say that it maintains the body temperature. Then it maintains the water and salt balance in body also. Water and salt balance in the body. It destroys the disease causing microorganisms that enter the body and protect from diseases. Disease causing microorganisms. It means it protects the body. It prevents bleeding by forming blood clots. By forming blood clotting. These are the function of blood. It maintains the temperature of body. It maintains the balance of salt and water in the body. Destroy the germs and disease causing microorganisms. It means it protects the body from the diseases. It also prevents bleeding by forming blood clots. It is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next is blood vessels. The second part of circulatory system is blood vessel. First is blood, and we have completed the different part of the blood. Blood is consists of two parts, plasma and blood cells. There are three types of blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. We have completed this, and the function of blood is also completed. Now the next topic is blood vessels. Blood vessels are three types of blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. First is arteries. Next is veins. And third is capillaries. There are three types of blood vessels. Blood vessels are long and thin tubes. These are long and thin tubes through which the blood flow. The blood flow in these three blood vessels. And there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. First we have a look at the arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from heart to the other parts of the body, where they are taking blood and reaches blood. The arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from heart to the other parts of the body, from heart to the all parts of the body. It means it contains pure blood having oxygen in them. All arteries except only one artery having impure blood containing carbon dioxide. Except this pulmonary artery, all arteries having the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated.
No, you didn't. I didn't get the revised invite for weekly catch-up. So
Oxygenated
we discussed and we finalized
rich
the time,
blood.
but then you didn't send it.
Except pulmonary artery. They are placed deep under the skin.
And one more thing, just a second.
They are thick,
I'm sharing my screen, so it's for today's invite.
elastic, and muscular walls.
Just a second. That's fine. 5:30 to 6:30.
The arteries are thick, elastic, and having muscular walls. The blood arteries flow rapidly speed. The flow of blood in artery is at very high speed.
मीना just a second, I'm sharing my screen. वो invite जो हम लोग को विजय अचपाल के लिए भेजना है. मैंने actually वो देखा. ये देखो मैंने इन लोगों का ऐड किया है और कोई मिस हो रहा है.
Rapidly with high blood pressure. It is because of the pressure exerted by the pumping of heart. Pressure by pumping of blood.
हाँ और दोनों हाँ ठीक है.
They lie
रैन पंकज मीना. हाँ तो अभी मैं शेड्यूल इसको पक्का करूँगी.
deep under the skin.
वही देखते हैं आप.
So we cannot see. The arteries cannot be seen easily. They cannot be seen easily. This is all about the arteries. Having thick muscular wall and having small human inside the artery. Arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body. All arteries except pulmonary arteries having oxygenated rich blood. They have thick elastic and muscular walls. They are having thick elastic. They have the elasticity and muscular walls to pump, to maintain the high blood pressure. Blood in arteries flow rapidly with high pressure. It is because of pressure exerted by the pumping of heart. They lie quite deep under the skin. hence they cannot be seen easily. See what is this?
With whom? Maybe. Okay. ये तो पहले
This is.
But grandpa was blocked it. But Meena, I guess Lucas can join because उनके यहाँ तो बहुत ही
This is. They are having thick muscular wall. This is thick muscular wall and a small hole in them. This is the structure of artery. Get it? Yes? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The another type of blood vessel is veins. The second type of blood vessel is veins. Veins are just opposite to the artery. They are having blood vessel carry blood from various part of the body to the heart. It means say heart, from heart to the whole parts. It means artery. The flow of blood is in this way. But the veins, the flow of blood is this, from body to the heart. This is the flow of blood and it is different in direction. They are having carbon dioxide blood. All veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Except pulmonary vein. Who is making noise?
एक मिनट हाँ हाँ तो तीन
Sakina and Gagan. Yeah, they are having carbon dioxide rich blood, except only one vein is having oxygenated blood. Except this pulmonary veins having carbon dioxide rich blood, they are blood having thin, less elastic and muscular bone. They are having thin, less elastic and muscular. Muscular walls. In case of arteries, they are having thick and elastic and muscular wall. But here is a thin and less elastic. They are having thin layer of muscles. The blood is flow with low pressure. The flow of blood is at low pressure. low
Ma'am,
pitch.
your voice.
Yes. Blood vessels. The blood vein in veins flows smoothly with low pressure. They lie superficially under the skin. They lie superficially under the skin, just below the skin. It means just below the skin. But arteries are deep under the skin, so we cannot see them easily. They are appear as greenish blue lines just below the skin. We can see green lines. If it is we are seeing green muscles, it means they are veins. They appear in greenish blue color under the skin. In our hands and legs, they have walls. One important thing is all veins have walls. At allow the blood to flow in one direction. To allow the blood to flow in one direction. Only the heart. The flow of blood is towards the heart. It means it flow towards the heart. Here is the body part and it go to the heart. But in case of these are the veins. But in arteries they flow towards the heart. This is the all about the veins and arteries. See the structure of vein. They are having walls. See, this is the wall, then thin muscular wall. It is thin muscular wall. Big human. The space is for the blood is a big human. It is having big hole or big human inside the vein. This is the structure of artery. Vein. This is the structure of vein. Do you have any doubt in the structure of veins? Veins and arteries are just opposite to each other. We will have difference between arteries and veins. The third type of capillaries is blood vessel is capillaries. Capillaries are the extremely thin blood vessels. These are the extremely thin. It means very thin blood vessels. Very thin blood vessel. Very thin blood vessels. They connect the artery to the veins. What is the function of capillaries? They connect the arteries to veins. Their walls have single layer of seal. Single layer of cells. They are having single layer of cells. The thin walls help in the exchange of material between blood and the body cells. These walls help in exchange of material between blood and body cells. The function of capillaries is what? It is helpful in exchanging the exchanging the material between blood and body cells. These are the function of capillaries. Here is a example or a diagram. See what is here. There are different branches of this. They are connected to each other. This side is red in color and it is blue in color. Blue means oxygen rich, red means oxygen rich blood, and blue means carbon dioxide rich blood. It means it is artery and it is vein. And here is a small connection between arteries and veins. There is a small connection between arteries and veins. So here is a thin tubes or vessels are connected, arteries and veins, and this is known as capillaries. They exchange. If the veins are having any material, injection is given in the veins only because they are upper side of the skin, just below the skin, but the arteries are deep under the skin. So when a person inject in veins, the medicine will go through the target point with the help of exchange the medicine with capillaries, and these capillaries help the transport the medicine to the arteries, and after that from arteries they will reach to the target point. This is all about the capillaries. Here is a difference between arteries and veins. Look at the difference between arteries and veins. The direction of blood flow in arteries from heart to the various part of the body, but in case of veins it is from various part of the body to the heart. Then arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, and veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood except pulmonary vein. Blood flow at high speed and under high pressure, but the flow of blood at very low speed and under